welcome to Tell a Friend. And today, we're here to make goods. And we're really happy and excited. And I think it's going to be really fun. Yeah. Actually, tell us you. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. So now we're done drawing a picture, and the artist is going to print it on, for me, on a bag, and for Ria on a cup. Okay, and now we're done, and we are so glad that they turned out really nice. And we are so happy. And just now we went shopping and our clips are napkins. Do you like it? Yeah. And we had really fun playing with you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to Tell a Friend. Bye!